What's up, gang? I'm Sai, and this is my series where I cover eMotos. If you don't know, I'm currently living in China, so I get the best access to all the new and latest technology, all the brands that are not covered or that are not that popular. Like, share, subscribe. You like? Let's get into the video. What's up, guys? I'm Sai, and this is the 79 back Falcon GT review. This is quite expensive, guys. It's about 30,000 RMB, 30 something thousand RMB. It has a lot of upgrades over the regular eMotos, and it's made by 79 bike. We can see 79 bike, and the model is Falcon GT. Okay, these are one of the special models. I don't think you can get many of them. This is actually number 2. I'll show you. This is number 2, the second one ever made. Yeah. So it's in a beautiful white colorway, white and yellow colorway, and it's quite powerful, guys, really powerful. And I know what happened in my last video. I looped the bike, so I'm just gonna ride it in eco now, just take it easy. And yeah, we can go through the specs of it. It says 16 kilowatts, but the peak power is about 30 kilowatts, so that's good. The top speed is 100 kilometers an hour. Okay, 100 kilometers an hour, and the dead weight is about 69 kilograms. Okay, 69 kilograms, 72 volt, 40 amp battery, a 30 kilowatt motor, guys. 30 kilowatts, guys, on this little bike. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. The screen, you have your modes here on the left. You have your power, and we have our average speed and whatnot. And then you have the speed here, the kilometers per hour, and then there's the controller for it here. So unfortunately we can't change that because the kickstand is down. Yeah, and then as I said, guys, number 2 of 100, guys. Number 2 of 100. Beautiful bike, guys. Beautiful bike. Alright, guys, it's raining a little here, so let's go for a little test ride here, guys. Kinda excited. Let's put it in eco mode, neutral. I need an open road for this, guys. I can be. Yo guys, once again guys, my hand is damn paining. Alright guys, and that was the 79 bike GT. Really talky guys, lot of power there. But after 70 kilometers it gets very unstable guys. And you can see it's got this cool LED around the motor, so I mean it's just some LED lights, you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I think it's a very beautiful bike guys. I really like this bike. It's also got a riser bar on it.